Once again, your student Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin. And here we have the Amz10x12 matrix, specialized chemical application. And so we have had a relative of the periodic table in this one, showing 120 elements in consecutive order of their atomic number. But this is different from the periodic table in that it doesn't maintain the group properties or the column properties. For example, here we would have had in this last column or group, we would have had the noble gases over here in the first one, and the second would have had the alkaline family and the alkali family, and like we would have had halogen family, distinctively differentiated. But this 10x12 matrix does not retain those properties, and therefore we can call it the periodic table, but a relative of the periodic table. And so here we have H1, hydrogen, helium, to magnesium for the 12th column, and aluminum 13 to chromium 24 for the second row, manganese 25 to krypton 36 for the third row, rubidium to cadmium 48 for the fourth row, indium 49 to neodymium 60 for the fifth, promethium 61 to hafnium 72 for the sixth, thallium 73 to polonium 84 for the seventh, acetine, which is an halogen family member, to curium 96 for the eighth, berkelium 97 to acium 108 for the ninth, and for the 10th, mcnerium MT 107 atomic number to by millium, which is 128 element for the eighth. So this is application of the matrix, and then we could go on for, as we said, quantum chemistry description, when we have the atomic weights and electronic config. Only for special elements, we have commit to memory the atomic weights. For example, gold, very popular lucrative element, one of those monetary and element of monetary value. So we have AU 79197. We have also silver 47, and atomic weight 107, 108, 109. Well, the first 20 we have remembered from high school. We just double the atomic number and we get the atomic weight, except for oxygen, in which if we double, we get an approximation for this is actually 15.999, but more times we use 16 for it. And for most of the elements, we could double the atomic number, but as we move on down the rows, we notice that it's more than double, and sometimes exceedingly more than double the atomic number. So therefore, we cannot use that rule except for the first 20 elements. That rule of doubling the atomic number to get the atomic weight applies. So there we have it, Amz10x12 matrix, relative of the periodic table, and application chemical application, chemistry application. Don't mean we have the mathematical science and STEM stream application.